It's one of those small and powerful transformations that helps you turn a long, messy table into something instantly readable. Let's get started. Let's bring this data into Power Query. Click anywhere inside your table, go to Data tab and choose From Table Range. Here is what we are working with. We've got 3 columns: department, name, and employee. Each person belongs to a department, and that last column tells us if they are an employee or a contractor. Our goal is to group everyone under their department, split them by ID, and list all their names together. Let's start with the grouping. We need to group by 2 columns, the first and the third. So let's go to Advanced Settings, group by Department ID and Employee Indicator. Operation is all rows, and type the new column name. If you click the little white box in a cell, you'll see a small nested table with all the people from that group. Now each row in our new table represents a unique combination of department ID and employee indicator. That's a good sign. We've grouped successfully. Now, instead of keeping those mini tables, we'll merge all the names inside each one into a single text value. We need to find the underscore symbol in our formula. Basically, it's our nested table. I'll delete everything after it. Let's type name in square brackets right after the underscore symbol. This way, we will get only the list of names from our mini tables. To merge it, I will use Text.Combine function. A separator here is comma with a space after it. So let's unpack that. The underscore refers to the current group of rows. Name grabs the name column from that group, and Text.Combine joins all those names together, separated by a comma and a space. Let's make it a little bit nicer. You can reorder the columns by dragging them, or if you like to be precise, do it via the formula bar. Then sort the table. Sort ascending on department ID and again on employee indicator. That way, departments and employee types stay organized. You can use the same trick to group anything: products by category, projects by managers, everything. And Power Query doesn't just group, it can summarize, count, or even aggregate text and numbers together. So think of Group By as your all-in-one summarization tool. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!